Here's how to use ChatGPT to transcribe and summarize YouTube videos with ease. Start by opening any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and hit Enter. The top result will direct you to a Chrome extension page. Click on it to access the extension. This free Chrome extension allows you to summarize YouTube videos, web articles, and even PDFs. It's powered by ChatGPT, along with other advanced AI tools like Claude, Mistral AI, and Google Gemini. To install the extension, simply click on the Add to Chrome button. Once it's installed, you're ready to use it. Now, go to YouTube and open any video that interests you. When the video loads, you'll notice additional details appear on the right-hand side of the screen. These are provided by the extension. Look for the option labeled Transcript and Summary and click on it. This will generate a full transcript of the video, making it easy to read through the content. If you want a summarized version of the video, you can click on the ChatGPT logo. This will open ChatGPT in a new tab, where it will automatically generate a summary of the video for you. That's all you need to do. With this tool, you can quickly transcribe and summarize videos, saving time while still getting all the key details. Thank you for watching.